Good morning, everyone. Coach Julian here, and today's lesson is going to be a dumbbell chest press. Now, the dumbbell chest press focuses on the pectoralis major and the anterior deltoids and your triceps brachii. Now, you want to, as normal, we want to start off by just going over some simple steps, and then I'll demonstrate here in a little bit. So, first, you want to start by sitting at the end of the bench, resting both dumbbells on your thighs, and hold them in a neutral position. Now, as you lie down, you want to make sure that your body makes contact with the floor and the bench at 5 points. That's both your feet, the hip, the upper back, and the back of your head. Now, you want to maneuver your hand grip to a pronated position on both sides. Your paw should be facing south of your body, and your arms a little bit wider than the shoulder width apart. Now, as you begin to lift, you want to extend both arms directly above your chest. In the finished position, the dumbbell should be positioned horizontally a few inches apart. And then you're going to slowly bend your elbows to lower yourself back to the starting position. I'm going to make sure that that's on the same plane, following the same vertical motion. Now, that's going to be a concentric motion when you're pressing up, which is about 1 to 2 seconds. I'm going to do that while you're exhaling. Using an eccentric motion, that will be when you're lowering the weight down, which is, again, about 2 to 4 seconds, and you want to be inhaling at that time. You'll repeat that for several repetitions, and then once the set is complete, you just lift put the weights back on your thighs, and either sit up on your own or have your spotter help you up. Let's demonstrate. Here we go. So I have a couple dumbbells here. Just gonna lift them up, put them on my thighs. Gonna move down to the bottom of the bench. Just gonna lay back here. Again, if you have a spotter, they can help you out. You can even lay back down and have them hand you the weights. But if you're doing a solo lift, it's the best practice right there. So again, 5 points of contact, 2 feet, hips, lower back, and my head. Now, I'm going to take the weights, dumbbells outside, again, right in front of my chest. And I'm going to breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Again, this is your concentric motion as you're going up. This is 1 to 2 seconds. You want to slowly lower it on your eccentric motion, but that should span about 2 to 4 seconds. Again, making sure you're not locking your elbows and making sure the dumbbells follow the same path as the starting position. Now, once you're done, I like to rotate here and then just slide the weights down to my thighs and then lift myself up, drop them off to my side. And that, my friends, is a dumbbell chest press. So with that, I want to thank you for your time. Have a great day. Take care.